Welcome to Max Takes on the World, and today I'm headed to the Sacred Valley to explore the Sacred Valley of the Incas. I'm leaving Cusco now. I'm in a bus, kind of like a bus, but it's more like a car filled with people. At my first stop, I'm headed to Chinchero. I paid like $10, 10 sols, which is equivalent to like $2.50 for this ride. And we're gonna start in Chinchero and work our way up the Sacred Valley of the Incas. I'm here in Chinchero now in the Sacred Valley. I'm supposed to meet up with a friend later that's gonna kind of show me around the Sacred Valley. But I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna look for some food and wait for my friend to get here. Then we're gonna tour Chinchero and all of the Sacred Valley. So where to now, Lita?
We are going to fly your drone and then we're going to a weaving place.
Let's do it. Now I'm about to give you a drone tour of the Inca Ruins. I hope you enjoyed that drone tour because I almost went to Peruvian jail. Thank God Lita and her Spanish bailed me out because I guess you're not allowed to fly drones here, but we got a free tour of the ruins.
Hola, amigo.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien.
Okay, this is how they dry the. This is a natural color.
Whoa, okay. That's no dye, it's the natural?
Yeah, no, we dyed, but with a natural things.
Oh.
Here, like this. We use all of this to make these colors.
What is this?
This is potatoes.
This is a potato?
A dry potato. It's a chuño.
Chuño.
This moraya. It's also dry potato.
They have 30,000 different types of potatoes here. This is just two.
Yeah, and this is haba beans.
Oh, beans, we might as well just go down the line.
And this is quinoa.
I think we eat this.
Yeah, maybe in soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, quinoa
Eat
soup.
this.
Yeah, and corn.
Oh, I've never seen this before. It's like only in Peru will you see this type of corn.
Yeah, with lemon, change the color.
It changes the color. Wow.
And then if you put sal, ¿con sal también creo cambia? ¿O con qué? If you put other one,
Let's see what color this is.
yeah, change the color.
Oh, it's
Maybe
like dark.
darker.
It looks like blood. Are you sure
Yeah,
you're not bleeding?
it's-
You okay?
And then also they use cochinilla to do the lipstick, the red one.
Really?
Yes. And you know what is cochinilla?
Donde?
I will show you.
Cochinilla.
It's like a parasite. It's an animal.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
It looks like it might bite.
No. Just
Oh,
here.
okay.
This.
Mm-hmm.
And what we use is the blood. Actually, it's the blood. It's blood.
Oh, it's really blood?
Yeah.
I thought it was blood.
Of this animal.
That's an animal?
Yeah, it's like a parasite. I don't know.
Oh, parasite.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was like a cactus.
Of this cactus.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's how they make the colors.
Yeah.
Wow. headed out of Chinchero now. We're going to the salt mines in the town of Maras. It is much warmer here, like, because the sea level, it's like lower here. What sea level is it?
3,080
3,080
meters above the
meters above sea level. And where we just came from, it was 3,800. So the weather changed. Like, I took my sweater off, and these salt mines look cool. Lita, you feeling salty?
I'm sweet.
Sweet. So these salt mines, people actually use the salt to eat. We just ate with this salt, right?
Yes, all the food we had here is with Mara salt.
Mara salt. Like all the food in Peru, or just like this?
Most of the food in Peru, yes.
Wow. This is my favorite part of the day, lunchtime, and it's time to try some more Peruvian food. Lita is introducing me to guinea pig.
Yes, he will enjoy.
Yeah, I hope so. I hear good things. I feel a little bad about this, but for those at home, guinea pig is a traditional Peruvian dish, and it's only served on special occasion. So today is a special occasion. Here is our guinea pig that just arrived, and Lita is gonna show us how to eat it. So you just cut it in sections pretty much?
Yeah, 4 pieces usually we cut.
We just got a shot here because Lita says when you eat a heavy meal, you need alcohol to cut down the fat. So cheers. Oh, that was smooth. Touring the Sacred Valley was so much fun, and honestly, I even think it was better than Machu Picchu in my experience. Just going out there and, like, you know, the more rural areas and really experiencing what it's like to be in Peru. It was such a great time. Shout out to Lita, thank you for showing me around.
To come and visit the Secret Valley.
Yes, come to the Sacred Valley. So, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't, smash that like button, and until next time, fight on.